You've been doing everything right. The salads, the workouts, the water, and the scale hasn't moved. Not a pound, not in weeks. And somewhere in the back of your head you've started wondering, is something actually wrong with me? Here's the answer. Yes, but it's not what you think. The problem isn't your diet, it's not your workout. It's happening while you're asleep. The reason your body is holding on to every ounce of fat right now is being triggered at night. While you're lying there completely still thinking you're recovering, your metabolism is getting sabotaged. And nobody told you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what poor sleep does to your hunger hormones. Why it makes fat loss biologically impossible, no matter how clean you eat. And 3 specific things you can change tonight that start shifting your metabolism within days. And stay with me, because the third one, most people have never heard before. There's also something happening in a sleep-deprived brain that has nothing to do with tiredness. A hormonal chain reaction that makes you physically unable to feel full, no matter how much you eat. We'll get there. But first, let me show you what survival mode actually looks like inside your body. You know that feeling where you know you're not hungry, but you're standing in the kitchen anyway at 10 p.m. looking for something? That's not weakness. That's biology. And it starts the night before. So here's what I want you to think about. Why do people with identical diets lose dramatically different amounts of weight, based on nothing but their sleep quality? Same calories, same exercise, different bodies. How does that make sense? It makes complete sense once you understand what sleep deprivation does to 2 specific hormones. And once you see it, you cannot unsee it. Your hunger is not your fault. It's a chemical reaction you triggered the night before. Here's what's actually happening. Your body has 2 hunger hormones. Ghrelin, the one that makes you hungry, and leptin, the one that tells you you're full, stop eating. When you sleep well, they balance each other out. But when your sleep is poor or broken or cut short, ghrelin spikes hard, and leptin drops, which means you wake up already hungry, and already craving sugar, and already looking for quick energy. And no matter how much you eat, the I'm full signal never really arrives. So you eat more. You don't mean to, but you do. And then you blame yourself. You shouldn't. This isn't a willpower problem. This is your brain in emergency mode running on a bad night of sleep and doing exactly what it was designed to do when it thinks resources are scarce. Your body doesn't know you have a full fridge. It just knows it didn't get the recovery it needed, so it holds on to everything. And here's something that's going to sound completely unrelated to weight loss, but it's one of the most studied sleep factors that almost nobody talks about. Your bedroom temperature. I'll explain exactly why this matters in a minute. But first, the fix. Fix number 1, get outside within 30 minutes of waking up. Not inside by a window, outside, even 5 minutes. Natural light in the morning is the trigger that sets your internal clock. It tells your body when day starts so it knows when night should end. Without that signal, your melatonin production shifts later, you fall asleep later, your sleep quality drops, and by morning your hunger hormones are already off. 1 habit, just 5 minutes. It resets the entire chain. Fix number 2. This is the bedroom temperature piece I mentioned. Your body has to drop its core temperature to enter deep, restorative sleep. The kind of sleep where your body actually burns fat, repairs tissue, and rebalances hormones. If your room is too warm, your core temp can't drop enough. You stay in lighter sleep stages all night. You wake up groggy, inflamed, and already reaching for sugar. The sweet spot, 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. It sounds small. It isn't. Fix number 3, no screens in the 45 minutes before bed. I know you've heard this, but probably not why it actually matters for fat loss specifically. Blue light from your phone tells your brain it's still daytime. It suppresses melatonin, which doesn't just help you sleep. Melatonin actively helps your body process fat while you rest. It's not just a sleep hormone, it's a metabolic hormone. Every night you scroll until midnight, you're cutting off that fat processing window at the source. Here's what I want you to take from this. You are not broken. You're not lazy. You don't lack discipline, you're just fighting your own biology with the wrong tools. The gym matters, the food matters. But if your sleep is broken, none of it works the way it should, because your body is making decisions at night that you have to live with all day. Fix the night and the day starts working for you instead of against you. That's not motivational talk. That's just how the metabolism works. If something in this video finally clicked for you, hit like. Not for me, because it genuinely helps other people who are stuck in the same loop actually find this. And drop a comment right now. Tell me, what's the one thing that keeps you awake at night? Not figuratively, literally. What's disrupting your sleep? Let's actually talk about it below. And subscribe this channel because what's coming next in this series goes even deeper.